Are you in a situation where areas are not getting clean the way you need them? Maybe this is leading to a frustrated environment and/or a frustrated customer. With Janitorial Manager, we have the answers to these problems. Janitorial Manager provides the ability to scan a QR code and/or tap an NFC tag, and provide a list of tasks for you to complete. There are also training videos and pictures that can be associated with those tasks as well. Janitorial Manager also provides the ability to wrap an ISSA cleaning timer around each of those tasks or areas. Use our variance reports to be able to see what's working and what's not working as it relates to these tasks and times.
How do you know your frontline employees are completing all of the tasks they say they are? With Janitorial Manager quality checks, you will be able to go in behind them and generate inspections based on the same QR codes that they're scanning to generate tasks for the areas. They're flexible, so you will be able to use your own grading and scoring scales, as well as track location trends for scores over time, as well as employee-specific trends over time to award your frontline employees that are doing a great job.
In today's world, building service contractors and in-house providers have tasks that need to be done, whether they're one-offs or on a reoccurring basis. This is where Janitorial Manager's work order function comes in. You're able to validate those tasks with pictures and videos, and then also schedule those within the system and ensure that all those are being completed at a necessary time.
Asset tracking within Janitorial Manager is going to allow you to have visibility to where all of your pieces of equipment are, from the smallest sweeper to the largest riding sweeper. You're going to have preventative maintenance checklists or after usage checklists. It's also going to allow you to understand the costs that are involved all the way through the life of that product so you can make a better buying decision or let's fix it.